When the grid goes dark, your training takes over. But training is only half the battle. In a true survival scenario, the gear in your pack determines your outcome. Most people wait for a crisis to happen. They panic, they scramble. You are different. You know that preparation is the ultimate form of control. Today, we aren't looking at toys. We are looking at professional-grade tools designed to keep you alive when the world stops working. From medical trauma kits to off-grid communication, these are the essentials that turn a victim into a survivor. You've made the choice to stay ready. Let's look at the gear. It's 3 a.m. The temperature is dropping, and your body is losing heat fast. The Titan Survival Emergency Sleeping Bag is your final line of defense against hypothermia. This isn't a thin plastic sheet. It's a heavy-duty mylar bivy designed for the harshest conditions. It reflects 90% of your body heat back to you. The material is 41% thicker than standard blankets. It is incredibly tear-resistant and waterproof. In a cold weather breakdown, this bag seals out moisture and traps life-saving warmth. It's crinkly, but it keeps you alive. This earns its place in any survival kit. When the internet goes down and cell towers fail, information becomes your most valuable currency. The Rainic, pronounced Rainic CR109 Pro, is a 5,000 mAh weather radio that ensures you never lose contact with the world. It offers 5 power sources, including a hand crank and a solar panel. It also features a 120 decibel SOS alarm to signal rescuers. Use the auto scan function to find emergency broadcasts during a hurricane or blackout. It even doubles as a power bank for your phone. It is a bit bulky, but information is survival. Don't be left in the dark. Your GPS is dead, your radio is low, and the sun is your only power source. The Goal Zero Nomad 10 is a rugged, foldable solar panel built for the off-grid survivor. It delivers 10 watts of power through a built-in USB port. The adjustable kickstand lets you track the sun for maximum efficiency. Strap it to your backpack while hiking to charge your gear on the move. It's lightweight and built to survive the trail. It won't charge a laptop, but it keeps your lifeline electronics running. Keep your tech alive when the grid isn't. A minor injury in the city is an annoyance. A minor injury in the wild is a death sentence. The Rhino Rescue Survival First Aid Kit is a comprehensive trauma bag designed for battlefield-style medicine. This isn't just band-aids. It contains over 100 professional supplies, including chest seals and compression bandages. Everything is housed in a durable mallet pouch. Use this to treat severe bleeding or trauma when help is hours away. It's a professional-grade kit for serious people. This kit is the difference between a close call and a tragedy. You can survive weeks without food, but only days without clean water. The Lifesaver Wayfarer is a military-grade pump that turns dirty water into life-sustaining hydration. It purifies up to 5,000 liters and removes 99.99% of viruses and bacteria. It requires no chemicals or electricity. When local water lines are contaminated after a flood, this pump provides instant, safe drinking water for your entire family. The pump takes some muscle to operate, but the safety it provides is unmatched. Pure water is the foundation of every survival plan. You're wet, you're tired, and you need a fire right now to stay alive. The Prepared 4X Survival Torch is an all-in-one fire-starting tool that laughs at rain and wind. It combines a premium ferro rod with a 36-inch waterproof tinder wick. The sparks are guided directly to the fuel for an instant flame. Even after being soaked in a river, this tool will ignite in seconds. It provides heat, light, and a signal for help. The wick burns for 3 hours total. Never struggle with a fire again, no matter the weather. A sudden storm hits, and your core temperature begins to plummet. This Prepared 4X Mylar emergency poncho isn't your average rain cover. It is a NASA-engineered heat-reflective shelter you can wear. It's twice as thick as standard blankets and reflects 90% of your body heat. It is 100% waterproof and wind-resistant. Wear it over your backpack to keep your gear dry while you move towards safety. It's tough to fold back up, but it protects you from the elements like a shield. This is your wearable insurance policy. Every second counts when you're building a fire in a survival situation. The ProCamTech Fire Strip Roll is 50 feet of wax-infused tinder that catches a spark instantly. It is completely oxygen-free and waterproof. You simply tear off a small strip, fluff the fibers, and strike your flint. Use it to start a fire in high wind conditions where matches would fail. A small roll provides hundreds of fires and fits in any pocket. It works even if your lighter is out of fluid. Reliable fire in your pocket every single time. Your team is separated in the woods and there is absolutely no cell service. The GoTel X-Quad Tracker is an off-grid GPS device that allows group communication without a network. It uses satellite systems to show your team's real-time position and distance on a built-in screen. Use the electronic fence to get notified if a group member wanders too far. It is waterproof, shockproof, and built for harsh environments. You need at least 2 devices for it to work, but the safety is worth it. Stay connected when the towers go down. An accident has caused life-threatening arterial bleeding. You have seconds to act. The TACMed SOF tourniquet is the gold standard in tactical medicine. It features a high-strength aluminum windlass and a 1.5-inch wide band. This distributes pressure evenly to stop blood flow fast. A slack indicator ensures you apply it correctly under pressure. In a serious trauma event, this tool stops the bleed and buys you the time needed to survive. It can be applied with one hand. This tool saves lives. It belongs in every vehicle. You need to clear a path through debris or break into a locked building for shelter. The OGT Survival Axe Elite is a 30-feature multi-tool that fits in your hand. It features a heat-treated hatchet blade, a hammerhead, a seatbelt cutter, and a glass breaker. Use the integrated 6-inch saw to gather firewood or the gas valve wrench to shut off utilities. It is made of all steel for maximum durability. It's a bit heavy, but it replaces a dozen other tools. Put survival in the palm of your hand. You need to drink from a murky river and cook a meal over an open flame. The Grail GeoPress Titanium is the world's most versatile water purifier bottle. It removes 99.9% of viruses and chemicals in seconds with a simple press. The outer titanium cup is fire-safe, allowing you to boil water or cook food directly in it. This is the ultimate one-and-done kit for minimalist survivalists who need hydration and cooking capability. It's a premium investment for serious prep. Purify, cook and survive all with one bottle. Food supplies are gone, and you need to secure protein from a nearby lake. The United Cutlery M48 Hawk Harpoon is a tactical stainless steel blade optimized for survival. It features a wicked curve for multiple uses and lashing holes for attachment. You can easily secure it to a wooden rod to create a high-reach survival spear. This is essential for hunting or defensive applications in the wilderness. It comes with a rubberized sheath for safe carry. A primitive tool with a modern lethal edge. You need to search a massive area in total darkness or signal a rescue plane miles away. The Nightcore EX7 is a powerhouse flashlight that puts 6,000 lumens in your hand. It has a 546-yard throw and 3 customizable beam patterns. The magnetic tail cap allows for hands-free operation on metal surfaces. Use the blinding strobe mode to disorient a threat or light up an entire campsite. On high mode, it gets hot, but the brightness is unmatched. Turn night into day with the push of a button. You're leading a group and need to process large amounts of water from a contaminated source. The MSR Guardian is a military-grade pump that treats 2.5 liters of water every minute. It self-flushes with every stroke, meaning it never clogs, even in muddy water. It removes viruses, bacteria, and protozoa. This is the workhorse of water purification. It's built to survive being dropped on concrete and still work perfectly. It's an expensive tool, but it is the ultimate insurance for long-term survival. Fast, reliable, and indestructible. The power has been out for days and you need reliable, rechargeable light for your shelter. The BioLite Sunlight is a compact solar-powered lantern that fits in your pocket. It features a built-in solar panel and a 360-degree kickstand. You can choose between white light or various colors for signaling. Hang it from your pack during the day to charge, then use it as a lantern at night. It provides up to 50 hours of light on a single charge, sustainable light that never needs a battery swap. You are hundreds of miles from help, and you have a medical emergency. The Garmin InReach Messenger Plus is a satellite communicator that works where cell phones die. It enables two-way text messaging, voice notes, and photo sharing via satellite. It also includes a dedicated SOS button that alerts a 24/7 rescue center. Use it to share your GPS location with family so they know you're safe. It requires a subscription, but it provides a global safety net. Your lifeline to the world when everything else fails. You need to navigate a trail at night while keeping your hands free for tools. The Nightcore NU21 is an ultra-lightweight headlamp designed for maximum simplicity. It delivers 360 lumens of soft, uniform light and weighs only 1.5 ounces. It's USB-C rechargeable and features a red light mode. Use the red light to preserve your night vision while reading maps. The headband is reflective and glows in the dark for extra safety. It is simple, effective, and reliable. Powerful light that you'll forget you're even wearing. Your critical electronics are at 1%, and you're miles from an outlet. The Anker 25,000 mAh power bank is a high-capacity energy reservoir for your gear. It features triple 100-watt USB-C ports and built-in retractable cables. It can charge most laptops and keep a phone running for an entire week. The digital display shows exactly how much power you have left. It's a bit heavy, but the capacity is essential for long-term outages. Don't let your lifeline gadgets die. Portable power you can actually depend on. You've spent all day hiking and don't have the energy to blow up your gear. The FlexTail Max Pump 3 is a tiny rechargeable air pump that doubles as a lantern. It provides high airflow to inflate sleeping pads or gear in seconds. It comes with 6 different nozzles to fit almost any valve. Use it to quickly set up camp or deflate bags for a fast exit. The built-in light adds extra utility for your tent. Save your breath for the hike and your energy for survival. When the situation demands a heavy-duty tool for defense and field tasks, you reach for steel. The Mossy Oak Bowie knife set is a 2-piece tactical kit designed for serious work. The large knife features a 6-inch razor-sharp stainless steel blade with a full tang leather handle. It is built for piercing, cutting, and heavy-duty utility in the field. The set includes a smaller 4-inch knife for detail work and a protective sheath for secure carry. It isn't meant for chopping wood, but for tactical defense and hunting, it is unmatched. Survival isn't about luck. It's about the decisions you make before the disaster happens. Each piece of gear we looked at today is a tool to help you maintain control when the world loses it. Remember, gear is helpful, but your mindset is your greatest weapon. Stay focused, keep training, and never stop preparing. The world is unpredictable, but you don't have to be. Stay ready. Stay prepared. I'll see you in the next one.